Hello, my name is Aline. I'm a student here at Southeastern University at Lakeland. Um, Today, I will discuss a little bit how using personal data to improve sleep. Have you ever gone to bed tired but still struggle to fall to sleep? That's me almost every night. So here we can see a problem. Poor sleep impacts focus, mood, and health. So, what should be our goal? Use your personal data collection to uncover patterns that affect sleep quality. Data collection strategy. Um, what to track? Sleep duration, bedtime and wake up time, sleep quality, how rest how rested you feel, energy level in morning, maybe 1 to 5 scale, caffeine intake, time and amount, screen time before bed, daily exercise, and stress level 1 to 5. And how to collect um, sleep tracking apps. Here we have some example like Apple Watch or Sleep Cycle. There is a Fitbit as well. So app that we can use to track this data, like a manual journal log each morning. You also can have like a simple Excel sheet that you can use to monitor or to collect this data. Um, uh, Also, we have a Google Sheet that is you can use to collect that data and then come to a number that gonna help you to see what the points you need to improve to have a better sleep. So next here we have some insights so we can bear in mind this is for you to track and think. So what can be improved uh, and what it can be noted. More screen time before bed, so that is harder to fall to sleep. Caffeine in late afternoon, shorter sleep duration, exercise on certain days, deeper, more restful sleep. Um, High stress days, that it can also uh, have you to have a poor sleep quality. So this insight is related to day to day and um, especially afternoons routine that you can improve your sleep. Here in this example, we have like a sample of a week, scale 1 to 5, related to the bedtime, what time you wake up, the amount of hours you slept, the caffeine intake, the screen time, the exercise, the stress level, and that can affect your sleep quality. Um, you have like a Monday to Sunday, like a full week. You can see the days you have like more hours slept with no caffeine, only 2 hours screen time, no exercise, stress level was very high, number 4, and you sleep quality from 1 to 5 was 3. Uh, in like a good day, you can go to bed at 11:50 p.m., which is considered late. Wake up at 7:10. Slept less hours, but you can have a better, sorry, no better, worse quality night because your stress level was very high. You didn't exercise. The screen time was like high, and the caffeine intake was yes. So here is like a good example what you can do to improve your sleep. We have some insights here, like data insights, so we can use to check best sleep quality on days with early bedtime, no caffeine after 5 p.m. and some exercise. That's you can have like the best scale here. And the worst sleep quality was when you had like a high stressed day, caffeine late in the day, and a long screen time. That's the factors can worst your sleep quality. Um, what you can do to improve a consistent in bedtime seems just to important a total hour of sleep. Uh, on the data collected, we can see the long hours we sleep, uh, the better uh, level of quality we have. Just a conclusion here, by tracking sample data points, you can identify habits that improve or harm your sleep. Small changes like reducing evening screen time and caffeine could have a big impact. Data empowers you to control of your sleep rather than guessing. Also, I just want to point in the visual I just made a few slides back. We can see a bar chart showing hours slept versus sleep quality, a scatter plot of caffeine intake versus quality rating, and a timeline chart of bedtime consistency. I also want to point that today days we can use a lot of methods to collect this data, as I pointed before, like watches, Excel, Google Sheets, so we can have a bigger picture, and when it is visual, we can also memorize and try to improve our sleep based on the data we collected. And last here, I just mentioned the source that I collect all this information. Thank you very much.